20 right there. There you go. Click it. Set hook. Yeah. Take long?
No.
Like yesterday, we started off quick.
I thought I was going to be able to give you all the video I shot. But his SD card on his laptop was messed up. I was going to put it all on the thumb drive.
Drop box.
Forget it for some reason, you know, pull it off later. You know, I love getting footage like that. So that's just the male here. The males here will be super skinny. The females, the fish we were catching yesterday,
Yeah.
even the males are fat. It's just that lake for some reason. This one, the males are skinny, the females are fat. This time of year. So that's why it's so easy to pick out caviar fish.
Nice.
You want to pull it in the boat, or are you going to hook it? It's up to you.
Take a picture. Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't have it seen. Get a little bit closer. All right, 15. Right. He went right. He's in those shad. And when they're in those shad, they like to really turn. 15 right there. Looks pretty good. Look it. That's it. Perfect. Worked for that one.
You want to reel in, huh?
Blind hog by the
Mm-hmm. Always say they got a good smeller on them. We catch these things that have eyes sometimes. I've seen 3 or 4 of them since I've been doing this. Like, I'm not saying they're like poked out or nothing. They grew with no eyes. I'll show you a picture of one. I mean, they just don't have them. It's like they're just flat, like they were never there.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh yeah, and they're still growing. So I mean, we caught some 67 numbers. No way.
Seems.
Good.
Yeah.
Pretty dang good. Oh, look at that. That's a little bit above average on this place. This time of year.
I'm in the front row.
Yeah, you're at the dolphin show?
That's cool.
Now I don't have to take a shower.
Oh.
He's not gonna give up.
He ain't giving up. Gets that tail up there, he just starts flapping it around.